Happy day children. In our earlier videos, we saw the importance of all the major nutrients and the main sources. But some of the plant sources like cereals, corn, fruits and green leafy vegetables cannot be fully digested by our body. This part of the plant food that cannot be digested is called roughage. It is also called dietary fiber. Though roughage is not digested and absorbed by our body, it also plays an important role. It helps in easy movement of the food in our intestine and also aids in removal of waste materials from our body. Hence, you should always include fibrous foods in your diet. Water. Water is also an important part of our diet. Water is necessary for proper digestion and utilization of the nutrients, for eliminating the waste materials from our body, for regulating our body temperature, for lubricating the joints, and for purifying the blood. 3/4 of our body weight is water. We should drink at least 2 liters or approximately 8 glasses of water every day. This picture shows the major food groups put together along with the main function and sources for a quick recap before going further. The major nutrients of the food groups include proteins for cell growth, carbohydrates and fats for energy, vitamins and minerals for healthy cells, dietary fiber for efficient digestion, and water for maintaining proper hydration levels. You can also see some major sources of these nutrients mentioned here. Now, you will be able to understand that a single food item does not contain all these 7 nutrients in adequate amount. So, you have to eat a balanced diet that contains the right amount of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, roughage and water in order to stay healthy. A balanced diet is necessary for supplying the required energy, for balanced growth, for maintaining the health of the body and for preventing deficiency diseases such as scurvy, which is caused due to deficiency of vitamin C, rickets, which is caused due to deficiency of vitamin D, and many more which you will learn later. This is a food pyramid. You can see here that you have to include grains and cereals in large quantity as they provide energy. Generally, major portion of Indian diet will be cereals and pulses. This should be followed by fruits and vegetables as they are protective foods. You have to include moderate amount of protein rich foods like meat, fish, egg and dairy products and only less amount of fats, oil, salt and sweets. So children, I hope you can prepare a healthy food plate by including food items from each of these food groups. We shall continue with food preservation methods in our next video. Thank you.